Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today there's a new site that has just come into the market, and then this site is called eToro, eToroUSDT.com. Now what is eToro USDT? eToro USDT is just a site that you, like the other sites that have been coming in, you just invest some amount of USDT, TRC20 specifically, and then within some few every day or 24 hours you'd be able to withdraw your funds. Yes, so this is the homepage of eToro. If you want to join eToro, kindly check in the description of this video. You would find my Telegram channel there. Join my Telegram channel, and then you find the registration link on my channel. So this is what comes up now. So you input your email address here, you type your password, and then you re-enter your password, and this is my invitation code 513871. For your password, just as I always advise, make sure your password is a combination of numbers, letters, and then symbols. So when you are done filling this form, please make sure that it is on register by email and not register by phone. Use your email to register and not your phone. When you are done with this, then you just tap on sign up, and then it takes you to the dashboard. So here's our dashboard now. You find the announcement page here, which is just a page whereby you, if you want to read or know more about eToro, you just click on next to read more, to know the minimum investment, to know the minimum withdrawal, to know the team commissions, and then other ways you can earn money from here. So from this side, you realize that the minimum investment is 6 USDT, of which you'll be earning 3 USDT daily, and then the maximum deposit is 55,000 USDT, of which you'll be earning 27,500 USDT. So those of you that are always scared of investment, you can try with the 6 USDT, and then you see that you'll be earning 3 USDT every day. So when you're done reading all these long things, just tap on close. So this is the main dashboard here now. Good, as you can see the packages have been locked here, and then there's a short video you can watch to know more about eToro. So how do you and you can see a timer here now. There's a countdown timer here, which tells you that after every 24 hours you get credited. Good. So how do you recharge now? So once you come here, you can see the recharge button. You just tap on recharge. So this is the recharge page now. So you can see here it's set there's a USDT address here where you can just copy the USDT address, and then make sure that it is TRC20 only. Yeah, so your fund will arrive within 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. Once you are done recharging, just refresh your recharge page. So when you are done recharging, you just copy this USDT address and then go to your exchange wallet, that Binance or Qcoin or OX or OKX or whatever you use. Go there and then you make your payments. Then you just leave this page and then try to refresh your browser. So once you refresh your browser, it's going to reflect here. So you can see mine here now. I have deposited 6 USDT, which is the VIP1 package. So once I register now and it's successful, you see that the padlock on the 6 USDT would go off, which means that the 6 USDT has been activated. So now I have to go ahead and perform my tax. So I just click on tax here. So when I click on tax, it brings me to this page. You just have only one tax to perform every day, and it's so easy to perform this tax. Just click on to complete, and it loads. Then you can see that it's completed successfully. Now there's nothing in progress again. When you click on completed, you find your tax that you've performed there, and you can see the income you've made there already, 3 USDT. So you click on me, and you can see that your total balance is now 9 USDT because the 3 USDT has been added or top up to the 9 USDT. Good. So now how do you share your referral link with friends there? Just click on team, and then this pops up. You'll see the referral code there. Copy it and then you can share with your friend. So we have 3 referral levels: level 1, 2, and then 3. So when you invite anyone who joins your level 1 team, you will get 11% commission from whatever amount that they recharge. When you invite anyone who joins your level 2 team, you get 3% commission, and anyone who joins your level 3 team, you get 1% commission. So you see them here and their team size in this place. Good. So How do you withdraw now? The most important part everyone is waiting for. So you just click on me, you tap on withdraw. And when you tap on withdraw, you see your total balance that you can withdraw. You can't withdraw the whole $9. You need to have the $6 there. So you tap on withdraw and then you input the amount there. So that's 3 USDT. 3. Then you copy your Tron address here. You paste it there. Which wallet address do you want your payment to go into? You paste it there and then you input your password. Then you confirm. Here now, I've filled in all the details now. I've put my TRC20 wallet address there and then my password, and then I tap on confirm. And as you can see, withdrawal successful. So my balance is now 0. So let's go back to see. You can see I have my 6 USDT back. You see, so my withdrawal has been initiated. If you go to financial records now and then tap on withdrawal account, you can see the 3 USDT withdrawal dashing has been made. So that's it, guys, about eToro USDT. So after 24 hours again, you see that I'll have to go and complete tax by clicking on tax to complete it, and then I'm going to make my withdrawals there. So you see I have my countdown is 20 hours now. So after 20 hours, I'll be entitled to go and then complete a tax and then make another withdrawal of 3 USDT. How does it feel like earning 3 USDT every day? Man, it's a good feeling. Just calculate it for like 7 days and imagine how much you are making. 21 USDT for 7 days by just performing a single tax. And don't forget, they have a lot of other VIPs there. 60 USDT is just the minimum for a start. Those of you that are scared of investing big, just go to try the 6 USDT and then you see how much you'll be earning. We have different packages there. You can see there's 50 USDT here, of which you'll be earning 25 USDT every day, which means that within 2 days you have already made your capital back. So guys, that's it about eToro. You can see on the VIP section there are a lot of packages from VIP 1 to VIP 10 with a lot of investment amounts. Good. So, and also those of you that are scared of investing too, you don't want to invest any money in it, and you can join the VIP 0 package. And what do? You need to invite 3 friends to recharge, and when you invite these 3 friends to recharge, you'll be given the opportunity to activate the VIP 1 package for you. So guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to hit me up on the comment section. If this is your first time coming across my videos, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to join my Telegram channel. There are a lot of earning sites that I post every week where I make a lot of money on that page. Try to join that page and then your life will never be the same. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.